These people are back here again, back to work after abandoning this work for like over 2 months now. They are back again. And now I cannot hear word. Now wow, in this scorching sun, they are not wearing clothes even. I hello now they try this kind work, you know, wear clothes under the scorching sun like the weather these days. You need to see how I'm sweating here. Let me show you how I'm sweating. Let me take off these glasses first of all. Are you guys seeing that? Are you seeing that sweat? My clothes is sweat right now. You see that? I don't even know if you guys can see it clearly, but I'm burning. The weather is so hot, so you can imagine those people up there not wearing clothes. How are they even doing it? Can never be me, but I held them, sha. See what I just said now? Noise everywhere. I used everything. Otino, it is finished. 1 bowl of spinach. Big bowl for that matter. But once you add it here now, everything will disappear. It happens like magic. Ooh. The aroma though. The yam is done, completely done. Now it's time to add the vegetable. I like my yam pottage very juicy. Like I like to add a lot of water to it. I don't like it dry. Some people like it dry, but for me, this is how I love it. I love to be scooping out the juice when I'm eating it. Not like watery though. It's going to be a thick juice, if you understand. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm going to cover the pot and allow this to wilt, the vegetable, and then I'm going to mix everything together and our yam pottage is done. See that? Yes, that's the type of thick juice I was talking about. This is the consistency I was talking about. Not dry at all. I don't like that type. Ooh. I think I need a larger spoon. Oh. Guys, look at me. I'm still sweating. Like, what is this? I love it when I sweat though. I don't know why, but I feel like when I'm sweating I'm losing some calories. That's what I feel, but I don't know if it is actually true. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to end this video here. It's just a cook with me video in my Italian kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to click the like button, share this video as well, okay? It will mean a whole lot to me. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'm going to eat when I'm ready to eat, okay? I wish I can share with you guys, but the only way I can share with you guys is by you watching the video and entering your kitchen and preparing the food for yourself and by yourself.